Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase one of your friend's voice and also change the volume on your headset on your Xbox Series X. Now to do this, it's really easy. Press the Xbox button and then scroll all the way down to the bottom here and then go to the right and go to Audio and Music. Now if you have a headset plugged in, you should be able to adjust the slider on top. So I have the Xbox wireless headset. Now I have to do this on the headset itself and you can see it's grayed out, but I can increase or decrease the sound of my headset under here with the slider. Then also I have mic monitoring, and mic monitoring is your voice that you're hearing in your headset. So if you take this and put it all the way to the right, you're going to hear yourself speak louder inside your own headset. And then you have chat mixer. This is also on my headset. You can see I can slide this up and down. So if you take it to the left, you're going to hear the game audio a little bit more. Take it to the right, you're going to hear your party chat a little bit more. And then here on the bottom, you have the TV volume option. So if you want to increase your speakers, you can go to this, or you can mute them right here. Otherwise, you can decrease the volume. Now, there's one cool thing about the Xbox is we can go to our party chat by pressing R1, go to parties and chats. Then we can locate our friend under this menu, or they can locate us. And they can select our name, and there will be a slider option for their voice specifically under their name. So if my microphone is way too soft for them, they can go to my name and they can slowly slide it over to the right and then increase the sound of my voice. And I can do that for them as well. So if someone's microphone is too low, well, you can easily adjust it yourself under this menu. But go ahead and look at those options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.